Hi everyone. Welcome all of you to another episode of Hooked on Web3 Mastery Space. I hope that this week is treating all of us well because it has been quite a swingy time for the market, but I believe that it doesn't stop us from build more and also contribute to the growth of blockchain industry because this is a long time run, not just for the pump and dump of the market. So for this week, we will continue our episode with another AI project. I know that AI is still a super hot topic right now. Everybody is all in, and all of the projects are pushing a lot of resources into building new features around the AI sphere. And who is the speaker as well as the project that we have the honor to sit together to discuss about the future of AI today. I'm gonna leave that and I will introduce you to the amazing project later after 1 or 2 minutes. Before jumping into the space, let me give you a reminder into what Hook 2.0 is. Hook 2.0 expands its social learning ecosystem even further, bringing Web3 education to the mass. With a focus on creating a comprehensive social learning environment, Hook 2.0 accelerates qualified projects through our educational launchpad, driving sustainable growth. And real-world alliances such as the Hooked Uni Tour also expand Web3 education by partnering with top universities around the world. And Hooked alumni collaborations with ecosystem giants further bridge and enhance the Web3 learning across diverse platforms. Because we just started the space, so keep your seats warm, stay tuned as we welcome more and more fantastic audience to join us. Don't forget to spread the word to your friends and share the link of this space to all of them. It will be a great encouragement if you can give us a like, a retweet, and click follow both Hooked Protocol and our partner today, official account right now to get the latest update. And I can see that Alice from Hyra Network has already tuned in. Let's give the audience some shout out about the project and also the intro about yourself.
Wow, cool. Thank you, Claire. So, hello everyone. This is great to be here today. Alice, Grow Managers at Hyra Network, and I'm super excited to join this exclusive AMA with Hook 0.0 today about co-building Web3 education with ecosystem giant. For those who are unfamiliar, Hyra Network is the world's first Layer 3 blockchain designed for AI and Depin, integrating edge computing to create a scalable, secure, and cost-efficient decentralized infrastructure. Right now, we already got over like 2 million edge devices with more than 360,000 T-flop of computing power, and also record more than like 500,000 of users globally. So I'm super excited to dive deeper into the conversation today. Let's dive in.
Awesome. The feeling is mutual. So, among the ocean of new AI trend and projects, what kind of problem does Hyra aims to solve?
Well, it's very interesting questions. As I mentioned in the introductions, we are the first layer 3 blockchain platform built on base designed to integrate decentralized AI infrastructure with edge computing and Depin. It leverages the computational power of billion edge devices like smartphones, laptops, or IoT devices and create a scalable, cost-efficient ecosystem for AI tokenized assets and DApp as well. So today, actually till today, we record like more than 2 million edge devices among like more than 200 countries all over the world. And other than that, the other DApp will build on another DApp that we already built on Hyra Network is Hyra Ai that enable users to train the AI models directly on their edge devices or via cloud options and using a decentralized infrastructure. And it also reward participant or user with Hyra token for contributing computing power and creating a sharing economy for decentralized AI development. During the process, we also record a lot of problem and challenge. The first one is about the high cost of AI development. For example, traditional AI development, such as like training large model or processing the big data, is quite like expensive due to reliance on the centralized cloud infrastructure and high energy consumption. Hyra reduce the cost. I think that up to like 60% for data labeling and 70% for speed optimizations by distributing workload to the other edge device. Second, we also like expand the scalability and efficiency. For existing blockchain like Ethereum, struggle with scalability and leading to high fee or low transaction time. For our Hyra network, we are like layer 3 solutions that optimize the performance for AI specific tasks. And other than that, we also see that there's a lot of underutilized resources, like billion of edge devices worldwide have untapped computing power, and Hyra network harness these resources and turning the idle devices into a very productive network. There's so many more that we can mention about centralization risk, because like there's a lot of centralized AI system, lack of transparency and user control. So for Hyra network, we the approach gonna empower user and enhance the security. On top of that, we also like limit. We remove the limit access for AI resources. Everybody can see that for small business and individual often can afford the infrastructure needed for AI training and or deployment. So Hyra AI democratize access by allowing user to participate with every device, even like on mobile, everywhere and for everyone. So many more that I can mention, but in essence, Hyra Network aim to create a decentralized, inclusive, and efficient decentralized AI ecosystem that solves the problem of cost, scalability, privacy, and also resources under utilizations, and setting it apart from traditional Web 2 AI model, and even like the other Web 3 project.
Thank you so much for that. I think it is a very self-explanatory and transparent answer. First of all, I want to congratulate you guys on such impressive numbers. And second of all, I know that we have prepared some of the questions beforehand, but as an end user myself and an AI lover, I can't wait to use this moment to just ask you some of my personal concern. So I love the idea of combining Depin and AI, as well as democratize the usage of big data and AI by allowing any individuals, SMEs, and even users like my mom to use their own devices to contribute to the AI development. So this is so exciting and also very curious that how can one exactly do that? Can you walk us through like what kind of app do we need to install? Will it slow down our device, and how secure it is when it comes to user privacy, as you mentioned? Hi, Alice. I think that you muted.
Oh, well, it is. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Well, I think that for new user, it's very simple to get started with Hyra AI. And there are a few key steps to onboard that I want to highlight with you guys. The first one is to download the Hyra AI app. So I will attach with the link in the comment after this space. Okay. So every user can just sign up or register. Specific requirement may vary, but no complex KYC. Just like simple register and start the process. And within Hyra AI, we have like the referral options. Optionally, just use the referral code from an existing user, like invite to earn campaign, something like that. I'm sure that you already experienced. So you can join and potentially earn bonus reward from that. Next, you can activate your device for AI training. So once logged in, enable your device to contribute computing power. So the app offers two models. The first one is on-device training. You can just run AI tasks in the background, train to earn model, train to earn mode, which use your device idle processing power. Or second, you can use like cloud training, claim hierarchy period artically, especially for every 12 hours by connecting to Hyra Cloud Node. So this step activate your participation in the ecosystem and allowing you to earn Hyra token by supporting the decentralized AI model training. Other than that, you are suggested to explore additional feature like invite friends to get more benefit or not sales for advanced user. So Hira offer a different opportunity to purchase node for high return on investment. You can know what ROI up to like 520% ROI with the node sales. And next, you can also consider to start earning and scaling. Let the app run in the background for on-device training or claim coins periodically via the cloud mode. A reward gonna accumulate as a Hyra token. And you can also scale by logging in multiple devices with the same account to increase your computing contributions and earning, as a guest, by Hyra model. And please note that onboarding is quick and downloading and setting up also like take few minutes with passive earnings starting immediately after activations. And of course, it's free to start with no optional investment. So you can start everything right away.
I see. It is quite simple. I think that with a few instruction, anyone, regardless if they have any basic knowledge about crypto or Depin or not, they can still start with something. And I think that is so helpful for the movement of mass adoption, where you get introduced to something so new and trendy like AI, and you also receive a reward from your own effort. Because right now people are getting a little bit more skeptical about the airdrop because they think it is just too good to be true. Then how come I don't do anything but I still receive something? So this is such a good mechanism that I have to give kudos to the team. And as for our next question, I can see that you guys are standing in the front of the trendiest topic of blockchain industry, which is the pin and also AI. So, what is your opinion about the AI trend in the current market situation, and how do you see it developed in this year?
Oh, wow, it's very amazing. So I would say that we all see AI and Depin everywhere. For example, I'm sure that some of you already use ChatGPT or maybe DeepSeek recently, and latest maybe Grok on X from Elon Musk, right? So I'm sure that we are here to lead the future of decentralized AI edge computing. So of course, there's some kind of directions that I think we all believe in the decentralized AI future. The first one is about AI democratizations and accessibility. I'm sure that AI will become more accessible to individual, small business, and also like non-expert, moving beyond the domain of tech giant and specialized researcher. So, for example, tool like no-code AI platform or pre-trained model or decentralized ecosystem will lower the barrier to entry for entry, and expect open source framework or edge computing will further empower the user to deploy the AI on personal devices. And other than that, we also expect a surge in personalization AI applications. Think a custom assistant or small scale automations or neat solutions tailored to specific industry or community. And second is about the edge AI or decentralized computing. AI will increasingly shift from centralized cloud system to the edge devices like smartphone, IoT, or wearable, driven by efficiency and privacy demand, rising the energy costs and also latency issues with the cloud AI, coupled with advance in hardware like the quantum AI optimized chip, will push the computation to the edge. And federated learning and decentralized physical infrastructure network, also known as Depin, will also matter in enabling distributed AI training as well. So this will reduce the reliance on the big data center, cut energy consumptions, and enable real-time AI applications. And the third one, AI in the sharing economy and tokenizations. We all believe that AI will integrate deeper into decentralized economic models where users contribute resources like data, computing power, and get more reward from that. Web3 momentum and projects like Hyra Ai are proving the viability and of incentivizations of participants via the token. This aligns with a broader shift toward the user empowerment and away from corporate monopolies. And individuals could turn idle devices into the income source, while businesses tap into global distributed AI network for cost-effective solution. And this could disrupt the traditional SaaS model as well. So further, among like 2025 and to 2027, Edge AI and Green AI can gain more traction, and Web3 AI project will scale up, and multi-model system became more mainstream in the customer tech. We also look further to 2030 that regulatory framework will solidify and shaping AI deployment. A specialized model dominate enterprise use and decentralized AI network challenge cloud giant. So I'm sure that in the next few years, we will see AI involved to work decentralization and sustainability and specialization driven by technological necessity and societal demand. It also like become less of centralized and more distributed and transparent partner, accessible to all, to everyone, everywhere on any devices.
I see. And in my own opinion, I think that one of the key components for the success of a project is to have the core team member really believing in the goal and the vision that they set from the beginning. So for me, AI is not only a trend, but also a way to unlock more possibilities for everyone. And combining blockchain technology, AI, and also the pin to create an extra income source, as you mentioned, is exactly the key for anyone to start approaching this kind of invention and get the benefit out of it. So I have heard a lot about the campaigns or the program that a user can use to refer their friends to Hyra or to use the product more actively. Can you share with us a little bit more about the country's market that you guys are aiming for, and what can we expect when it comes to marketing activities in these countries in the near future?
Wow, that's very amazing. As I mentioned in the beginning that we already record more than 2 million devices among more than 200 countries all over the world. It means that we cover all of the aspect, almost every corner of the world right now. So the user right now share among more than like 500,000 of the user and record like 150,000 of monthly active user and share among Southeast Asia country and even like Africa. The most outstanding one is Nigeria. So it means that right now, with the Android or iOS devices, every user, especially on those country, they can access and enjoy contributing their computing power with their smartphone. And other than that, they can also activate their train to earn AI model within our Hyra AI the app. And other than that, as I mentioned, so we have a very amazing referral model, like MLM model, allow a lot of people, they can invite more friends within the network and join in our Hyra AI. We have like two main models that everybody can consider. The first one is a free chain to own model within like Hyra AI. It means that everyone can just like log in, register the account in like few minutes, and after that they can activate by choosing the task to complete. Or maybe they can just activate the automations options. It means that even like you do nothing, you just activate it and you can gain the higher reward based on your contribution. The second one, the user can also rocket your earning by via the not sale commissions, because we have the model that everybody can consider and start with only like $9.9 to get started with the not sales, the lowest options. And after that, we have the referral link. Each of the user gonna have like separate referral link. So I mean that you can use the link, invite more friends, and it gonna count into your personal center. And then you can like get started, own Hyra token and share and rocket the reward Hyra token within the ecosystem of yourself. So next, I think that heading to end of this year, maybe middle of this year, we also have the plan in our roadmap that we can expand to the other Europe countries and even like the Americas beside the current country. And upcoming, we have a lot of activity offline in even like Southeast Asia country and Nigeria or bigger like among like Africa country as well. In the middle of the year or end of this year, we also have the plan to launch the token on the top tier exchange. So it's right now in the process. So it means that right now everybody can just start with the chain to own model in Hyra AI the app, and then after that we have a lot of news. Make sure that you're gonna follow Hyra Network and Hyra AI and even Hook as well, so we can get the latest update from our community and our plan.
That sounds really excited. I am so grateful that we have builders like Hyra in the market, that we continue to build and stick with the milestone no matter how the market is reacting. Because during the bear run, let's say for a few years ago, a lot of projects just got into hibernation mode. They don't want to build anymore. They rely most of their capital on the market price. So which is definitely not how the industry should develop. And thanks to your effort, I think that we can have a lot of opportunities in the future for more collaborations, and also to have the brighter development for all of us in the industry. Let's talk a little bit about the future. So let's have some fun guests here, maybe educational guests, because you guys are working in this industry. What kind of invention that you envision would appear in the future thanks to AI? What kind of directions that you can see? Feel free to just be super imaginative and share with me whatever thoughts that you have.
Wow, I think it's very amazing questions, but we already have in our plan right now. I would say that besides some of the key achievement and milestone that we already record, we have a plan to make sure that the user can also utilize the power of AI and decentralized AI ecosystem. And other than that, we also like expand the network of AI and future of AI, not only within Hyra network, but we also have the other product within Hyra ecosystem. So we have like Hyra AI, the first one, and everyone can get started at dimensions. And second, we have like Hyra Mega. It's gonna be the AI tool marketplace for even like enterprise or individual. They can use and utilize a lot of they can discover a lot of other utility of AI, even like on mobile or even for even individual as well. But further, we also like develop the other, Hyra Beat and Hyra Wallet and the other things. We want to make sure that we can share the missions with the other, user, that we provide as much as utility and power for the end user via the ecosystem. But other than that, I'm sure that there's a lot of things that we can guess about the future of AI. But I'm sure that we can see a lot of, the robust growth and heavy investment, because like AI remains one of the hottest sector with a significant investment pouring from both even like public and private entities, and major players like Google, Microsoft, or Nvidia advancing hardware like GPU or TPU, and even like software, while startup with AI focus on groundbreaking applications. And I'm sure that global AI market is projected to surpass about like more than 500 billion by the end of the decade till 2030, as I mentioned, and driven by demand of automations and data analytics and personalized service. Other than that, beside the AI itself, it also like see the trend for integrations with blockchain and Depin. A notable trend in the fusions of AI with blockchain, as seen with the project like Hyra Network, decentralized physical, decentralized or Depin, leveraging AI to optimize about the distribution resources from edge computing to energy management. So this showcase AI potential to address efficiency and cost challenge in the decentralized system. In addition, I would say that we also like see the practical applications and monetization. So AI is no longer it's just a tool for the big business, but it's gonna becoming a revenue stream for even like individual like you and me right here. And platform like Hyra AI will highlight a new sharing economy models. It means that the user contributing their devices computing power to train the AI and earn the reward in cryptocurrency or in the token. So this is gonna reflect a broader democratizations of AI and making it more accessible. And I would say that in summary, AI just in a phase of explosive growth, but it also like intense competition and challenge. And in short term, code efficient and user friendly solution like Edge AI or maybe passive income model may dominate, especially amid global economic fluctuations. But in the long run, those who tackle the energy efficiency, privacy, and also scalability will likely lead the market. So that is.
I see. Well, thanks to your projection of the future, I think that we have more reason to believe in the growth of not only AI, but also in mass adoption, in the blockchain industry, and in this technology in general. Let's have the final question here. What do you see in the partnership of Hooked Protocol when it comes to mass adoption and partnership?
Wow, that's amazing. It also like one of the things that I want to mention in today's conversations. So Hook Protocol is actually the educational edutainment platform that combines education and entertainment. So it also focus on Web3 adoptions and now serving over like 10 million users worldwide, right? So it makes sense with globalized strategy of Hyra network. So I'm sure that with our partnership can help a lot. The first one is bridging the Web 2 to Web 3 for AI integrations. So it means that right now we have a lot of user base. We can utilize the resources of both party. While we have the AI infrastructure and you have a lot of user base, we can combine and share the sharing economy model for everyone right here, every user, so they can start the journey in AI with Hyra AI. Second thing is about the gamifications and incentive structure. So Hook alumni courses can also be adapted to encourage the participations in Hyra AI training network. And at that time, the user can also earn the Hyra token by completing the educational module about the AI or contributing devices resources, mirroring the Hook quiz to own success. And the third one is about educational empowerment for AI literacy. So Hook focus on Web3 educations can extend to AI literacy and teaching the user about decentralized AI, edge computing, and also token economics core to Hyra network missions. And the last thing I want to mention is about a scalability model and Web3 AI conventions. So, if successful, this partnership could serve as a blueprint for the other AI project seeking for mass adoptions, combining an edutainment with practical utility like Hyra Edge AI training addresses both awareness and participation gap. So Hook involvement reinforce a trend where Web3 platform act as a catalyst for AI adoptions and leveraging blockchain transparency and token incentive to scale AI network. So in summary, I want to highlight that Hook Protocol partnership with Hyra Network play a very pivotal role in assisting mass adoptions, even like for AI project, by providing an onboarding RAM, gamified engagement, and also vast user ecosystem. So it's tackle the key adoption barrier, lack of awareness, technical complexity, and motivation through education and incentive.
It is so heartwarming to hear your honest sharing. And yes, there are multiple phases and factors that we can actually collaborate together. And it would be our honor to join you in this journey. And everyone, I think that for this time, we have heard a lot of insightful sharing from Hyra Network, from Alice herself. So we are very thrilled about the potential synergies between Hooked and Hyra Network. For everyone, another reminder, don't forget to follow both of us on X and explore their platform and earn your income as soon as possible. And tomorrow, we will have an alumni course about Hyra Network. We hope that all of the information that you heard today will help you win the leaderboard and split the big prize of 500 Hook. Wish you all of the best, Alice. And the floor is all yours before we close this session today. Any final sharing to our fantastic audience?
Well, thank you so much, Claire, for hosting and Hope Protocol to host us today. And I'm sure that upcoming, there's a lot more that we can do together. So let's get ready and follow Hope Protocol, follow Hyra Network, and ready for the tomorrow course. Thank you so much. And I hope to see you soon in the upcoming AMA. Goodbye.